Wamushadha residents in Kiambu County have lamented over the runaway insecurity in the area. The resident who held protests claim cases of murder have increased, with more than 5 people killed in the past 2 months. During the protests, transport was paralyzed, with residents demanding action from the government.
Wanauliwa, tunapata watu wametupwa huko kwa makaburi, wanatumwa huko, wanatupwa huko kwa boma zao. Watu hakuna mtu yeyote ameshikwa ama mshtua yeyote. The last case ili happen juzi after sherehe ya Jamhuri. Mtu alishikwa na kisha amekufia kule kwa police station. So tunaona kuna haki na tunataka immediate address ya hii maneno inakuwa ikiendelea hapa Kiamba.
It is squarely the failure of the Kiamba Security Committee, because they had convened a security meeting. The people of Mushadha are having very legitimate concerns about security. So many people have died, so many people have been killed under unclear circumstances, and the citizens were ready to engage. And that is why they had come here for a meeting, only for the Security Council not to, Security Committee of Kiamba not to show up. So we expect that the relevant higher security organ is supposed to seek answers from the Security Council of Kiamba, so that the people of Mushadha can get justice.
Residents of the Mailisaba area in Laikipia West constituency are outraged by an investor's conduct, claiming